Hey guys, I'm aboard the Disneyland Railroad. It's just starting now. Going from Main Street USA. I don't know what's up next. It's enough now. I'm only going for the one stop, and then going to go and see where else I can go. I haven't done this yet, so I've totally forgot about it. But yeah, it's nice and whatnot. But yeah, time's almost up here at Disneyland Paris, unfortunately. Then shortly I need to go catch a Eurostar, and then I'll be off home. So I don't come, I guess. Enjoy the journey, guys.
Mesdames et messieurs, attention au départ de Main Street Station. Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder bras et mains à l'intérieur. Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer. Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now departing Main Street Station. For your safety, please take this departure. Keep your hands and arms inside the train.
Mesdames et messieurs, voici Frontierland, le fabuleux Far West américain, où les torrents serpentent en toute liberté et où la fortune est au bout du rêve.
This is the legendary American way, where the rivers still run free, and anyone's dream turns to gold.
De Frontierland. Pour votre sécurité, bien restez assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du train. Laissez sur votre tête personnelle à bord. Merci. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving to Frontierland Station. For your safety, please remain correctly seated until the complete stop of the train. And if you are leaving us, please don't forget your personal belongings on board. Thank you.
I'm actually going to get off here and see what else I can do. I'm going to go ride Big Thunder Mountain again as well. And yeah, guys, catch you now.